Let me tell you something very honestly. I use my phone a lot. I am addicted to my phone. And I know you do too. Hello guys, this is Manas and today is the day 16 of my 100 days English speaking challenge. And today I want to talk about with you about phone addiction, which is a real problem nowadays. As you know, most of us are not busy on our phone. We are stuck on our phone. Phone addiction is not problematic when we are busy on our phone. It is very problematic when we are using our phone without any reason. Our brain started feeling anxiety when we don't use our phone or check our phone for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Sometimes you feel that you are doing something, but suddenly your hand goes up to your phone, you grab it, unlock it, and start scrolling. And suddenly you realize why I did this. I don't need to use, and why this is happening. This is problematic. Okay, so let's talk about how this becomes a real problem. So, when we get the first time phone, we started watching educational or knowledgeable video on it. So, it was very useful back then, but nowadays, when we feel bored, we use phone. When we are free, we use phone. And when we are stressful or we feel anxiety, we started using our phone to escape our real life. In today's era, we are literally stop sitting with our own thoughts. Our brain are constantly thinking or dopamine fried with because of our phone. You stop sitting quietly with your own thoughts. And you know that biggest damage of this is not your time, it is our focus. We cannot focus on one thing. Your phone just wants your attention and it is winning. We have to stop this from winning. So, first of all, turn off all the notifications of your phone. Keep it silent as much as you need. Keep it silent all the time. Your phone is not your enemy, but if you not control it, eventually your phone will control you. If this video felt real, please like the video and subscribe the channel.